Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I want to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Come with me. Hello again, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and as usual I want to show you the beautiful neighborhood of Istanbul. Today I'm in Sirkeci neighborhood. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing my video, and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. As you can see, this area is one of the most famous and crowded area of Istanbul. Sirkeci is in the Eminönü quarter of the Fatih district in Istanbul. The neighborhood borders to the north the mouth of the Golden Horn. To the west, the neighborhood of Bahçekapı. To the east, the Topkapi Palace area. And to the south, the Kagagoglu neighborhood. It hosts the Sirkeci railway station, the easternmost terminus of the Orient Express, a historic long-distance passenger train service in Europe that operated between Paris and Istanbul in the period between 1883 and 2009. The neighborhood consists mostly of commercial and tourist-oriented buildings. A combination of small shops, large workshops, and office intermingle with boutique hotels, traditional Turkish restaurants in recent years. Sirkeci has become one of the major hotel neighborhoods in the historical peninsula of Istanbul. With its unique location between the Beyoğlu district and Sultanahmet quarter, Sirkeci hosts many hotels with reasonable pricing, option and availability. Restaurants, Turkish and foreign language bookstores, and tourist offices. Sirkeci is a station on the Marmara railway line running between Gebze and Halkali and connecting the European and Asian side of Istanbul via a tunnel under the Bosphorus. So you can come here with Marmara train. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing and like this video.